Are you tired of blankets, toys, and pillows making your living room look cluttered? Finding a storage basket that's both stylish and practical isn't always easy. After using the KAKAMAY Large Blanket Basket with handles, I can confidently say it's one of the best home organization products I've tested. But is it really worth buying? Let's find out. I wanted a storage basket that could hold a lot without looking bulky or cheap. The KAKAMAY basket immediately stood out because of its extra large capacity, soft, natural cotton rope, and beautiful farmhouse design. After using it for several weeks, I realized it's much more than just a storage basket. It actually adds warmth and style to the room while keeping everything organized. With its spacious 67-liter capacity, I was able to store multiple blankets, throw pillows, stuffed animals, toys, towels, and even laundry with plenty of room to spare. It helped eliminate clutter almost instantly. One of my favorite features is the 100% natural cotton rope construction. It's soft to the touch, but surprisingly durable. Unlike hard plastic storage bins, it won't scratch furniture or damage delicate fabrics. It's also safe to use around children and pets. The reinforced handles make it easy to carry, even when it's completely full. I had no problem moving it from the living room to the bedroom or laundry room. Another reason I like this basket is its appearance. The neutral brown woven design blends beautifully with farmhouse, modern, rustic, and cozy home decor. Instead of hiding it away, I actually enjoy displaying it beside my sofa. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The basket arrives folded for shipping, so it needs a little time to regain its round shape. Filling it with blankets for a day or two, or using a garment steamer solves the problem quickly. Also, because it's made from cotton rope, it's not water resistant and doesn't include a lid. Still, those are very small trade-offs considering everything this basket offers. It's spacious, sturdy, lightweight, attractive, and versatile enough for almost any room in your home. With thousands of happy customers and an impressive 4.7-star rating, it's easy to see why this basket has become such a popular choice. If you're looking for a stylish and practical way to organize blankets, toys, pillows, laundry, or everyday essentials, the KAKAMAY Large Blanket Basket with handles is absolutely worth considering. Check the link below to see the latest price and customer reviews. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow for more honest product reviews and smart home organization finds.